Alright, the polygons are similar, but maybe not drawn to scale. Find the values of x and y. Okay, so looking at this, this has just been translated over. So let's find x first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put x minus 1 to the 6. So I'm going to put x minus 1 over 6, and I'm going to let that equal, I can't find x and y at the same time, so I'll do 16 over 12. So I'll do x minus 1 over 6 equals 16 over 12. So doing that real quick, x minus 1 over 6 equals 16 over 12. Cross multiply, got 12 times x minus 1 equals 16 times 6. Distribute the 12, that'd be 12x minus 12, and 16 times 6 is 96. Add 12 to both sides. 96 plus 12 is 108. Divide by 12. 108 divided by 12, and I get 9. So x equals 9. So let's see. I have either C or D. Now let's find a y. I'm not going to use the blue one anymore. I could still use 16 to 12, but let's try this time, let's try to find a y. So we're going to do y plus 1 to 21. So setting that up, I would do y plus 1 to 21. Y plus 1 over 21 equals 16 to 12. Cross multiply, that'd be 12 times y plus 1 equals 16 times 21. Distribute that, that'd be 12y plus 12, and 16 times 21 is 336. Take 336 minus 12, that's 324, and take 324 divided by 12, and you get 27. So I'm looking for y is 27, x is 9. That would be D. So explain why the triangles are similar, and then find the value of x. The one I always look for first is AA. So let's see, do we have AA? So I know that this angle is equal to this angle by the notation. And then I also know that this angle and this angle are congruent because they're vertical angles. So I know that, yes, this is not congruent, but these are similar by AA. So because I know these are similar by AA, I can find the value of x. And it looks like this is rotated over. So if I took this and rotated it, that would mean that 12 and 7 go together, and x and 8 go together. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to put 12 to 7, and I'm going to put x to 8, because if you were to rotate that, the purple would be in the same spot, and the blue would be in the same spot, and that angle would be in the same spot. So real quick, and I'm going to go left to right, so it'll be 12 over 7. So 12 over 7. blue to blue, left to right, so 8 to x, that'd be equal 8 to x. Cross multiply, you'd get 12x is equal to 8 times 7. So 12x equals 56. 56 divided by 12 is 4 2/3. How did I know that was 4 2/3? Because I got 4.66666, and I know that 4.66666 is 2/3. So I would go AA postulate, 4 2/3. The answer would be D. Determine whether each pair of triangles is similar. So in order to see that these are similar, I can't use AA because we don't know the angles. So we have to look at the proportions. So what we're going to do, and it's hard to know what side goes with what side, so I usually just go with the smallest number, that's 8. Smallest number here would be 24. So if these are similar, it would be 8 to 24. So I need to see what is 8 divided by 24. And it might be easier actually to do 24 divided by 8. So I'm going to go right to left. So let's do 24 divided by 8. Okay, which that's easy. That's equal to 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So I'm going right to left. Let's see. So we got one, so we got one of the S's done. Let's do biggest to biggest now. That'd be 10, 30 to 10. So because I went right to left, it'd be 30 over 10. And notice 30 over 10 is also 3. So far I have side, but I need one more side to be proportionate. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the middle number is 27 over 9, the same proportion. So let's see, what is 27 over 9? And that is also 3. So what does that mean? It means that I got side, one side's proportionate, one side's proportionate, and the other side is proportionate, all by the same scale factor. If you're going from here to here is 3, the other way would be 1/3, but either way, they are the same. So I would say yes by SSS, yes by SSS, and now we have to look at the similarity statement and look, does E go with B, does E go with B, or does E go with A? So let's see. So let's see, E would be right here. And E is between blue and red. So that would go with the other one between blue and red, that'd be B. So E and B should be in the first spot, E to B. E to B. Okay, so we know it's not D. And then the next one's D. So D is between blue and purple. So D should go with the other one between blue and purple, which should be C. So it should be DC. I got D to A, that's not true. It'd be D to C. So the answer is A. I'm sorry, the answer is C. Number 15, determine whether the triangle is similar. So I always try with the angles first. And I see a big triangle and then a little triangle. And I noticed that they both share the same angle J. So that would take care of one of our A's for AA. And then I also could see that these are parallel. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal, so this angle is going to equal this angle because they're corresponding. So when we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, we know that if the lines are parallel, those are the same. So Do I know that these are similar? I'd say yes, by AA. So how do I know that? I kind of describe that with my colors, and then write a similarity statement. So I would say JKP, and I'll leave a little spot for the similar symbol. JKP is similar to JLM. And let's see, the little similar symbol looks something like that. Okay, so I finished 15.